It's that time of the semester when finals are looming on the horizon, which can be a stressful time for many students. That being said, the Tutorial Center is here to make sure you finish strong. Whether you want to prepare for a final exam, start drafting a final essay, or simply talk about study tips, we have STEM and writing tutors who can address whatever academic concerns you may have. On the STEM side, we offer drop-in tutoring for assistance with math, biology, computer science, or any other STEM-related courses. For writing, we offer 30-minute appointments, which can be scheduled twice a day. Make sure to check if your professor has set up any study sessions for final exams, because the Tutorial Center regularly runs these sessions.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, how are you today?
Doing good, thank you.
Good. What can I help you with today?
I'd like to get an English 1A appointment set up for Saturday.
Okay, what time Saturday are you thinking?
How about 2 o'clock?
Okay, so it looks like I can do a 2 to 2:30 this Saturday. And you said it was for English 1?
1A, yes.
Yes, perfect. Okay, and then if you could, just go ahead and send me your student ID in the chat box for me, please. Then I will get that all set up.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect, thank you.